everybody what you have. What is that? What are those? Are those
Promotion
straps?
truck.
No, there's Thomas.
This is train, right? That's train? Okay, talk about your train. What kind of train are those? Okay. What does what can they do? Can we see it drive? All right. And okay, come on. All right, you're not done yet. Let me see. Let's talk about your costume today. Okay, Stena? Who are you today? Who are you today? Yes. Right? Show your Thomas costume today. Okay. So what can Thomas do? Okay, let him talk about his costume, okay? What can Thomas do? Drive? You want to drive? Okay, you can go drive there. Go ahead. Go ahead. You want... Go, drive. There you go.
Umikot nga.
Alright.
My hair is open.
Say thank you to Caleb.
Thank you, Ella.
Okay.